'cause I really like what you done to me. I can't really. 'Cause you make my earthquake. You make my earthquake. I'm riding around, your love is shaking me up. It's making my.
Hey lovelies, welcome back to my channel. I'm Gabrielle, and today's video is going to be about this hair. I'm doing a quick install, okay? Very quick. So I decided to go ahead and install this with my Got2b glue hairspray, which I love the smell of this. It's super hold. I actually prefer this over the yellow can. Just my preference. So let's just get into the details about this hair. So this hair is from a company that I haven't worked with before, so this is the first time. I'm not about to pronounce their name because I will mess it up. I'm not trying to do that to them. So the name is in the title, and the name is going to be down in the description box along with the details and the links to the company. So this is 24 inches, a 13x6 lace frontal wig. It has a elastic band, which I really like. I guess if you wanted to make this into a glueless unit, you have that option to do that. It does have combs, adjustable straps that I took advantage of, and it's a Waterwave texture. So let's get into my thoughts. So when I first was, installing the hair, it was super soft. Now, I don't know. It was like, I just feel like when you wash the hair, it's super soft, and sometimes it stays soft, sometimes it gets a little bit like just a little bit more coarser, I guess. And this got a little bit more coarser, but it's not an issue at all. I'm not getting any like snagging or matting or anything like that. But the lace on this unit was light, so I definitely had to use my foundation and definitely had to use my lace conceal spray on this unit. It was just your standard normal process. So it wasn't as hard as some wigs that I've had where it was just like, oh, I just can't get it to blend. It wasn't like that, so it was okay. I did have to prep this wig, and I did not bleach the knots, but it's okay. It's okay. So if it's not your thing, you can't finesse it, okay? You can't finesse it, but I would suggest bleaching the knots. Maybe I'm gonna get around to it, maybe not. I'm a little under the weather, so But I did pluck this unit a lot. The lace is very sturdy. I didn't have a problem with the knots just easily slipping out, which if you have that issue with one of your wigs, 9 times out of 10 is going to be a red flag, because that means the hair on the lace is going to fall out so easily and it's not going to last long. So keep that in mind. Now, when it comes to this curl pattern, I'm loving the curl pattern. Like I mentioned, it's this Waterwave, and usually the Waterwave textures that I get are just a slight bit wavier, but I'm not mad at this. It's very thick. These are the type of wigs that if it's not the best density, you can finger comb it and get it to where you need it. And I love wigs like that. I love like curl patterns like that. So now, one thing I do want to mention is that the hair is a little bit frizzy, and that's obviously because I keep finger combing it. It's an easy fix. When you refresh your curls, use some kind of curl smoothie to define the curls, and you won't really run into this problem, because right now there's no product. I just co-washed it, rinsed out, let it air upside down. So it's, like I said, easy fix. But I do want to mention, if you want a more defined look, keep your hands at your hair, girl, or use some curl smoothie. So with all of that being said, that's about it for this video. Leave a comment down below if you tried or heard about this company, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will check y'all out in the next one. Bye.
what you done to me. I can't really explain it. I'm so into you. I really like what you've done to me, baby. I can't really explain, but I am so into you.